Welcome back, riders and motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on an in-depth ride into the world of Harley Davidson's latest masterpiece, the White Cruiser 2026. A stunning evolution of the classic American cruiser, this bike fuses timeless style with modern innovation. We'll be breaking down everything from its jaw-dropping exterior to its high-performance engine, smart safety tech, and more. So, whether you're a loyal Harley fan or a curious rider looking for your next two-wheeled obsession, this one's worth your attention. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The 2026 White Cruiser is all about visual impact. Coated in an elegant pearl matte white finish, the bike exudes premium charm and head-turning presence. Chrome accents highlight the curves around the tank, pipes, mirrors, and engine fins, giving it that unmistakable Harley muscle. The classic teardrop fuel tank proudly bears the Harley Davidson logo, now in brushed silver. A bold LED headlight with circular halo DRLs adds a modern touch up front, while the beefy tires and sculpted fenders scream raw cruiser attitude. The new finish also includes a factory-applied ceramic coating, making it more resistant to scratches, dust, and sun damage. Now onto the interior feel, or more accurately, the rider's experience. Slide into the wide, cushioned leather saddle and you're welcomed by a cockpit that blends vintage simplicity with digital refinement. The new digital instrument cluster sits within a retro-inspired bezel and features speed, gear indicator, fuel range, and even turn-by-turn navigation. All controls are mounted on reshaped handlebars designed for better posture during long rides. Riders get tactile feedback from every switch and button, and even the grips come wrapped in premium stitched leather. USB-C charging, Bluetooth, and keyless ignition are all standard. There's also a hidden storage cubby under the seat with a weatherproof seal, perfect for stashing gloves or a phone. Underneath that refined exterior is the Milwaukee 8 117V twin engine, delivering 106 horsepower and an earth-shaking 168 Nm of torque. This engine is all about effortless cruising with serious power on tap. A reworked 6-speed gearbox offers smoother shifting and more responsive throttle control. Harley has added ride-by-wire tech, giving riders the choice between 3 dynamic riding modes: touring, sport, and rain. Each one changes throttle response, ABS sensitivity, and traction control. Whether you're carving through backroads or stretching it out on the highway, this bike delivers confidence and performance in every gear. The exhaust system is tuned for a deeper, more refined growl that still holds that signature Harley thunder. On the safety side, Harley isn't holding back. The 2026 White Cruiser includes lean-sensitive traction control, cornering-enhanced ABS, and electronic stability control. A new hill hold assist function gives you confidence on inclines, while tire pressure monitoring ensures you're always aware of road readiness. The LED lighting package increases visibility, especially during night rides, and the adaptive rear brake lights flash under heavy braking to alert drivers behind you. You also get GPS-enabled anti-theft tracking and a smart immobilizer system. Combined, these features help make your ride safer without interfering with the freedom you crave. Let's talk about the unique selling points. First, there's the unmistakable style. No other cruiser on the market looks quite like this. The white finish, the modern retro lighting, and the commanding stance make it instantly recognizable. Second, the comfort. Harley's redesigned ergonomics mean better weight distribution and less fatigue over long rides. Third, technology. The White Cruiser seamlessly blends old-school cruiser charm with digital upgrades, including app-connected diagnostics, ride history logs, and over-the-air updates via Harley's smartphone companion app. Lastly, customization. From the exhaust tips to the handlebar grips and even saddle options, Harley offers an impressive list of dealer-installed accessories to make the bike your own. Now, let's address the price. The Harley Davidson White Cruiser 2026 starts at $21,995 USD, which puts it at the upper tier of the mid-cruiser segment. Add-ons and custom packages can push that up to $25,500, depending on how much personalization you want. While the price may seem steep, what you're paying for is more than a machine. It's Harley's legacy, performance, design excellence, and the prestige of riding something truly iconic. In conclusion, the Harley Davidson White Cruiser 2026 is a brilliant fusion of old soul and new tech. It delivers on style, comfort, power, and road presence, all wrapped in a sleek, durable finish that's sure to age gracefully. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next investment or someone new to the cruiser segment, this bike brings the full Harley experience without compromise. From city streets to open highways, the white cruiser feels like freedom on two wheels. And once you hear that engine roar, you'll know, you're not just riding a motorcycle. You're riding history. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. This is your ride, your road, and your moment. See you in the next one.